Hi all, it's Mike at Team Dealerlogix. Just wanted to make this quick video on how we've made dispatching your valet service easy with Dealerlogix. It's simple to use. And for the purpose of this training video, I've got your dispatcher screen up here, the driver cell phone here, and the customer cell phone here. Important to note that anytime your customer schedules for valet service, they will get a confirmation text confirming that their appointment has been set. When it's time for your dispatcher to schedule the pickup with the driver, it's simple to do. You simply look at your pickup. In the request, you can go down to assign the valet. When you assign the valet, you simply put the phone number of the driver in and assign the valet. As soon as you assign it, you can see that the driver receives a text message. Once the driver receives that text message, and for the training video purposes, I wanted to give a bigger view of what the driver will see when they click on the link. So as a driver, the following would be displayed directly on their phone. So I'll click on the link, and you can see that the driver information is listed. We can see the ETA is 9 minutes away and the address that they're going to. And to start their drive, they simply click on starting the drive. As soon as they start the drive, it will start to route it, and the customer will receive the text message where they can go in and watch the driver's progress as well. Once the driver reaches, again, that customer will receive the message. The way that they receive that message is when the driver simply clicks Next. And now they can add the photo or the video at the walkaround. Once the photo or photos upload, they can go through the checklist items customizable per store. Once they complete their pickup checklist, they simply hit Next. Now you can see where the driver can request a remote signature verifying the vehicle has been picked up. They simply hit the Request Remote Signature button and can send an SMS or an email. We'll go ahead and send the text message. The driver always has a confirmation that the remote signature link has been sent. They can close it, and you can see where the customer has received the text message to click the link to sign for the pickup. In order to move forward, they simply touch on the link. They can see that the requested pickup service is there and the requested service. They can simply sign it and approve. Once it's approved, you can see that the customer does get confirmation that it has been recorded, and they can close it. And your driver has an instant update right on their phone that the signature was gained, and they simply hit Next. Now you can see that the driver is routing back to the store. The customer can also see on their device by clicking the link that the vehicle is headed back to the shop. The driver and your customer are always on the same page, exactly where their vehicle is at. When the driver arrives back at the dealership, it's simple. They only need to click Next. Now you can see any pickup handoff instructions for the driver, and they simply hit Request Check-in. In the customer communications, you can see that their portal will let them know that the pickup has been complete and alert them when the check-in process started. So from your dispatcher to your driver to your customer, with your valet service, everyone stays on the same page. It's just another thing we do to make things easy for people just like you today.